Most people solve this question in wrong way. 2 plus 4, they will get 6. Similarly, 6 minus 3, they will get 3. Divided by 3 will be as it is. Now 6 times 3 gives us 18, divided by 3 as it is. So after simplification, we will get 6, which is our answer. Is it okay? Obviously, it is not okay. So all this solution is incorrect. We have to resolve the question according to some order of operation, such as Pemdas, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So in this question, we don't have any parenthesis, exponent also. Multiplication is there between 4 and 6. So 2 will be as it is, plus it will become 24 minus 3 divided by 3, that will be taken as it is. Now division is there between 3 and 3. So we will get 2 plus 24 minus, it will become 1 after division. Now 2 plus 24 gives us 26 minus 1, which will be simplified in last step to get 25 as our correct answer for this tricky math question. Thank you.